Hi guys, we're back in Just Jane again. It's still Friday, isn't it? It's Friday afternoon now. Now I've finished with that little look down there. He said shining his head torch. I'm now sat in a radar operator's position, and I'm trying to get rid of some of this redundant cabling. I mean, what's happened is this equipment isn't used anymore. Although it is nice to have it in the aircraft because it shows a bit of the aircraft's maritime history. Because it's been through so many hands, some of the cable's been a bit butchered and you end up with this kind of thing. I'll just pull this out of the balloon, bring that down there, and I've got another bit here, which at the end here, which once again at the end goes nowhere. So I'm just deluming some of this. Some of it is fairly modern. This is for the wireless. This is for the radio installation, the modern radio. And whoever did it, they made a disgusting job of it. It's awful. I mean, look at chafes there. I mean, it's tight. It's not loomed in. No, it's horrible. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get rid of some of these cables that aren't used. Because I think the problem I've got, or the problem I've had so far, is that there's so much redundant wiring. You see some cut bits down there. There's so much redundant wiring in this aircraft that I can't see the wood for the trees. So I think I'm going to have to go round and have a bit of a cull. I mean, look at the state of that one. Certainly when it gets back, I'm not too bothered about the stuff that's in the racking at the back there. I shall possibly just tidy that lot up and get it out of the way. But I need to know, you know, like with some of this goes, and it just needs all tidying up. I know this powers the lights at the back, the tail lights. So this has got to go. This has got the new wires in there. Yeah, some of it just needs thinning out to tidy the aircraft up, because it is. Is a bit. There's another bit down here, look. And it's. I mean, I'd be embarrassed actually if this was my aircraft. Even if it was just static display, I'd be a little embarrassed at having sort of stuff like this hanging around. It needs to be sort of curled up and either stowed properly or removed. So I think I've just dropped something, possibly my torch. So the plan is. Certainly for the rest of today is to go around it and we'll remove some of this redundant wiring. Sorry about the jerky doodah. So there's the R78A radar display. Yes, the American's version of the Mark II H2S. Don't recognise it myself, but there you go. It's not like any H2S I've seen. But as it says, ASV supply there, so that is air to surface vessel, so that's the radar power supply. Yeah, DC switch, inverter switch, so this would have run off, I would think, 115, 200 volts as well as the 24. So yes, so anyway, all good stuff there, like sector scan and well, all great stuff. Anyway, I must stop drooling over this vintage radar set and get some work done. So anyway, hope you like this little short one. Yeah, once again, if you've got any more questions about Just Jane, just ask and I'll see if I can. If I don't know, I shall try and find out for you. And I better get back to work. Comment, rate and subscribe, the usual stuff. Ring the bell, be nice to me, be polite, and I'll be polite back. So that there, by the way, would have been the battery box. Well, it looks like a modern battery box, not a proper aircraft type battery box, but I could be wrong. Anyway, right, so I better carry on whipping these wires out. I think I've got a busy job ahead of me for the rest of the day. So anyway, yes, so have a good day. Thumbs up, keep smiling, and I'll see you guys all again. Take care now. Bye for now.